A cybercriminal group contacts a few employees by social media or email, looking for someone to give them access to your organization's network. Instead of sending phishing emails, they're searching for an insider to knowingly upload malware or share their login credentials. This time, it's not just about the pretext.
Hey everyone, welcome. On today's show, we're talking about malicious insiders. It's a threat that continues to grow for organizations.
Now, we're not talking about employees that make a mistake or are tricked by social engineers.
No, there actually isn't a pretext in this case. Cybercriminals are trying to recruit an insider to make their attacks easier or more damaging. But malicious insiders often work alone, using their access for financial gain or to get revenge for a decision they didn't agree with.
Like getting handed a pink slip.
Exactly.
Yeah, well, malicious insiders legitimately have access to an organization, and they intentionally use their access to cause harm. So let's break this down. Anyone that has access, including current and former employees, contractors, vendors, or business partners, could potentially use their access to either steal data or transfer malware to an organization's network.
And cybercriminal marketplaces make it easier to recruit insiders to assist with a cyber attack than ever before. You know, it's a tactic that the group Malicious has used previously.
They used a variety of social engineering tricks to steal data, as well as offerings to pay employees for the use of their remote access credentials.
And since they have valid credentials, it can often be difficult to detect an attack by a malicious insider, or to even figure out the damage that's been done to the organization. They usually have elevated levels of access, and they know exactly where the data is.
Malicious insiders might even take advantage of the trust of others to trick them into unintentionally helping with an attack. They're calculating.
And manipulative.
They can cause so much damage to an organization by stealing data or proprietary information, uploading malware, or disrupting business.
And you know that can lead to identity theft for the people whose data was stolen, not to mention the cost of the attack for the organizations. There's fines, legal fees, and other costs associated with remediating an attack. So what are we supposed to do to avoid helping a malicious insider?
Oh, you know the answers. Revoke someone's credentials when they no longer need access to data, whether it's because they changed roles or they have left the company.
Also, never share any data or information with anyone who asks until you've done these two things. Number one, you verified they are who they say they are.
And two, you have verified they have the right to that data.
Right? Malicious insiders may try to gain access to data they wouldn't normally have access to, so watch out for unusual or suspicious requests and activity.
And as always, if you see something that makes you say,
report it right away.
Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on The Pretext.